Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. Also, explore valuable resources and helpful links in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for a credit card on TD Canada. To start, open the website td.com. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option that says Apply for a credit card. Click on Apply for a credit card. To start finding credit cards that suits you, click on Find a Card. First, select if you want a credit card for personal use or business use. In this case, we'll apply for a personal use credit card. Select the option that you prefer. Then click on Next. From the options provided, select one credit card benefit that appeals to you the most. Then click on Next. Next, select which credit card reward appeals to you the most. Select only one, then click on Next. Now, estimate how much you spend on your credit card each month for groceries, gas, and recurring bills payment. You could enter it on the field provided, or use the slide bar to provide the amount. Just a reminder, to be able to apply, you need to be a resident of Canada, to be the age of majority of the province which you reside, and you need to have a valid email address. If you think you're eligible, click on Continue. Here, read and review all the terms and consent. After reading and to confirm, click on I agree. On the next page, you will be asked few questions. To proceed, click on Continue. So on this page, you'll be asked to fill out some information about your finances. Enter all the required information. Then click on Continue. If you also want to edit or change some information, click on the Edit option. Otherwise, just click on Continue. Now, enter the amount of your preferred credit limit. You could also use the slide bar to select an amount. Then click on Continue. It will also ask if you would like to add an additional cardholder to your account. If you wish to, click on Add Additional Cardholder. Otherwise, click on Skip this step. If you also want to enroll in TD Credit Card Payment Protection Plus, click on Yes. But if you wish not to, click on No. Then click on Continue. After that, read and review all the terms. Once done, click on the tick box to confirm that you agree to all these terms. After that, click on Continue. Then just follow the on-screen instructions to finish the application. That's how you open a TD Canada credit card account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.